Hey babes, my name is Winnie Jean and today I'm going to show you how I got these gorgeous natural curls with this little crochet set that looks so natural. We are giving Solange don't touch my hair vibes. I got a little frizz on my natural hair, but I actually kind of like it. I feel like it adds to like that like soft vibe for the hair. Today's video is sponsored by ShakeNGo. I used 6 packs of their Naked Crochet 100% human hair. I loved it. It is so pretty, as you can see. It's in the color natural, but it can be dyed. I actually dyed a few pieces just to double check. This is just with one color application, so if you wanted to get it lighter, you probably could. I like to test that out before I tell you guys that stuff can be dyed, just because sometimes, girl, you never know. But this hair actually did lift pretty well. I used a 30 volume developer, but it's wet and wavy hair, so when you first get it, it's kind of straight. As you can see in the pack, it looks really straight, but throughout the video, I'll show you what it looks like in its natural state after you wet it, and I'll show you how I got these beautiful curls with a nice flexi rod set. So y'all are in for a treat, girl. Y'all are in for a treat. This video is popping. Okay, so I'm really excited to wear this hair. It looks really good, really natural. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this soft and pretty curly look, then let's get into the tutorial.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Alright, so I'm starting with my hair blown out. It's clean, moisturized, blown out, and ready to go. So I blew it out with my part intact. I want to do like a middle part with these big curls. That's the goal. We'll see if we get there, girl. So what I'm going to do is part out like a V shape around my part. Okay, so I have taken all of my leave out and gotten it out of the way. And now I'm going to go ahead and start to do my braiding pattern for the crochet. So I'm just starting with one braid that's like right next to the part. And it's like a medium-sized braid, nothing too small, but it's not large either. Okay, so Okay, so I'm gonna just keep crisscrossing until I get to the back, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in a little bit. So to finish up the back, I'm gonna just do a braid that goes down the side and around the back. And this is gonna keep the sides really smooth as well, so I can get a nice ponytail. Alright, so everything is installed, everything is dry, I've blown it out, so now it's time to actually style it. So far with this install, I really do like it because I feel like it's super flat. Last night I went to sleep with it in a ponytail, and when I tell you this ponytail is like super flat, like it's crazy. This hair actually features these elastic band crochet loops, and then it's like track hair around it almost, and I really like it. I think it's an awesome way to have human hair, especially because it's easy to remove and reuse. All you have to do is just take the hair back out through the loop, and I'm sure you can like comb it out, detangle it, you know, do whatever you would do if you had like bundle or track hair. So that's really cool. And I'm loving how it looks blown out. If I like flat iron my hair and blend it in, I would love to wear it like this, but y'all know I want some curls. So let's go ahead and start styling. I like where this is going. This is giving me all the vibes. I really would just straighten my hair and like braid it to get that texture and wear it like this. Like I really love this look.
I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind.
Alright, so I've pressed my hair out, so everything is blending a little bit better. So to get the waves, I'm actually going to use Flexi rods. So first I'm just going to separate it into 2 sections. And I'm blending my hair with the weave, that way like everything is curled together. I'm using the orange Flexi rods. They're not the super long ones, but they're not short either, like these regular orange ones. I don't know what size they are, my bad. And I'm going to just take this olive oil mega moisture mousse, and this is what I'm going to use to get that hold.
I think we should rule out living for now, 'cause we're falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now, we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no, no. Tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona.
So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. When the curls fall, it's gonna be pretty too, but I love how like it's giving me 70s, 60s, I don't know, it's just giving me all of the vibes. I really love it. It's really soft and pretty. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again to ShakeNGo for working with me. I hope this is kind of therapeutic to calm you down during this little weird time. A little hair therapy. You know, black girls, we love doing our hair. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. If you haven't yet, make sure you're subscribed. Turn on the post notifications because your girl been posting a lot, and I have a new nail tutorial coming really soon. And like this video if you like this video. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.